Hey guys, welcome back to the Blimp video channel. My name is Craig Enders and I really appreciate you tuning in. In this video, I'll give you a tour of Blimp's graphical interface, Blimp Studio. Before we get started, I want to acknowledge the Institute of Educational Sciences for their support and point you to the project's website. You can download Blimp at the same homepage. So let's jump in. When you launch the application, you'll see an empty interface. The green plus icon on the toolbar creates a new Blimp script, and the folder icon opens a file browser where you can locate and open an existing project. Clicking on the green plus icon creates a new Blimp script that is pre-populated with some of the more common commands. Blimp Studio features a tabbed interface that lets you keep all your scripts and outputs for a project organized. Let's take a look. Here I have 4 scripts and outputs from a previous run stored in the same folder. Selecting the 4 scripts and double-clicking opens the files and their corresponding outputs in separate tabs. Clicking the tab switches to a different script and output. Running a Blimp script spawns a paned interface that shows you the syntax, output, and trace plots of the parameter estimates. Here I have the syntax and output panes arranged on the left and right sides of the screen, but you can change the settings so the panes appear on the top and bottom of the screen. You can change the size of each window by dragging the horizontal or vertical panes. Looking at the plot pane, clicking on the blue icon opens the trace plots in a new window. You can page through the plots by clicking the green arrow icon on the plot window's toolbar. Finally, you can close the plot window by clicking on the white normal distribution icon on Blimp's main toolbar. Next, I want to take you through the menu options in Blimp Studio. First, let's open the Settings menu from the main Blimp Studio pull-down. The General Settings tab lets you set the app's font, and this is where you can choose whether the syntax and output panes are arranged horizontally or vertically. Next, the Syntax and Output window tabs allow you to specify the font and the font size for each of the 2 windows. The Computational Engine tab lets you select the Blimp build for your analysis. The Stable Radio button is appropriate in most cases, but clicking the Beta button enables the newest features that we're currently testing. Finally, the Plot Settings tab specifies how trace plots are handled. You can turn the plots on or off by clicking the default Auto Show Plot Radio button. Turning the plots off speeds up post-processing of the output. Blimp has an extensive user guide with dozens of examples. All of these examples are available through the Examples pull-down menu. Here, I access examples in the regression chapter and launch the user guide example and output for a moderated regression with an interaction effect. The user guide can be downloaded as a PDF from the Blimp website, and it's also available as an online Google document. To open the user guide, click Blimp's Help pull-down menu and then select the Help option. That concludes a brief tour of the Blimp Studio graphical interface. Thanks again for tuning in, and I hope you check out future videos.